put it in the wrong category. Whatever. And we're live. Fancy. Alright, let's see here. Oh yeah. Let's start with the basic grid map.
This can then be used for making all kinds of systems like a heat map, pathfinding, or define valid building areas. Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey, and this channel is all about helping you learn how to make your own games with in-depth tutorials made by a professional indie game developer. So if you find the video helpful, consider subscribing. So here we are, and this is what we want to make. We have a nice scene here, and as you can see, our world is split into various squares. Each square is a grid position on our grid map.
Oh no.
And when I click on a specific
position,
you can see that
I saved over my utilities. No.
This is a very simple grid map that you can
Yeah, I was testing out something and accidentally.
For example, you could use it to display where the mouse has been. So
I did accidentally. Let me pause this thing. Shite. Alright. Well, this is supposed to be about making a grid, but now it turned out to be fixing the thing I accidentally saved over. I did it. I did it. Yeah, I know, right? Oh, God. I can't believe I did that. Alright, let me just... We're going live. Good thing I have another folder for it. Alright, let me port this bad boy over. People are probably like, what the fuck is he talking about? I don't see anything. It's because it's on my other screen. You're not allowed to see it. It's a secret. In fact, I should probably push this change. I would like to commit my change, please. Just my change, please. I'd like to add it. Add. Oh crap, that's the wrong button. There, I'll do that so people can see. If they see. Should they see? Can they see? Oh. Alright. Wow, that comes through really well. I'm impressed. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Why can't I add this? Oh, I think it's already checked in, isn't it? I'm not entirely sure how you check Steerfin through this. How do I work this thing? Changes. I guess... Oh, I never... So I changed it locally, but I never pushed it up, so... It's actually already pushed. So I don't have to do anything. Brilliant! Right. officially. This project... Wait, not this project. I think this project's good. With all of its bugs. Let me see. I need to figure out how to export stuff properly. So I want to export this as a package. Export. Not in Code Monkey utilities. My utilities. I don't know what all this crap is. Ah. I'll just say core utils. Sweet. Sweet. That's what I need to start doing from now on. So I have like 1 million project folders in Unity. So when I open up Unity Hub, when I open up Unity Hub, I have like all these projects going on. And I was like, I do that because I'm stupid and don't know how to export packages. Well, apparently, you just right click and you can export a package. Like you right click on whatever it is in your project window. You do export package and it bundles it and puts it somewhere. That way, say I made these scripts or I have these assets or something, right? I make a new project. I can just import that set instead of like bringing the entire project back in. And that's what I've been trying to do, and apparently it was that easy this whole time, but I'm an idiot. So whatever. Anyways. Hello, people. All one of you out there that's watching. Yay! Let's do this. So I was going to do grids. I am going to do grids because that's what I named the stream. That's what I'm going to do. I already have a grid system here, but we're going to start from scratch. Actually, I don't even know if that... I can't remember if I actually did anything in here. But we'll do it anyways. New. You guys can't see what I'm talking about. There you go. 2D project name. Grid. String. BAS or BA Studios grid. And I'll put that in the code library. Ha. Ha. Ha 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 ha. And to repurpose my... You can change like stuff on a YouTube video, right? Like if you go on live, you can change the stuff, like the categories and all that, kind of like how Twitch does it. Nani? I guess this is a first. It's okay. Metal Gear. Oh, there you go. It's going in gaming. Her save. All right, cool. It's supposed to be like a studio thing, like YouTube Studio. Oh wow, that took forever. Alright, someone help send an adult. Send adult. I need adult. I am so bad at this right now. Like, oh, there it is, YouTube Studio. Okay, I found it. After all these years. Wait, this isn't what I wanted. I think I broke stuff. God, this is the stream of worst streams. What is happening right now? Whatever. Anyways.
Here is a very simple example of the grid map being used.
Sandwich sounds good right now.
Alternatively, you
It's
could
my
use it to
water.
display where your player is dying or where he has killed enemies. You could use it as a base for your pathfinding system to define which cells should be walkable and which should not. Or you could use it, for example, on a management game to define which areas you can build. So as you can see, there's a multitude of potential applications for this simple class. For example, in my latest game, Battle Royale Tycoon, I use grid maps for all sorts of things, like for managing the pathfinding of each specific building, to managing the tile map for the ground tiles, as well as the environment heat map. So as you can see, there's a multitude of potential applications for this simple class. Alright, so this is our goal. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we are in our scene. All we have is a background texture and nothing else. So let's begin by making our grid class. Over here on the scripts, use C# script. Let's call
Oh,
this
that's what I was
grid.
supposed to do. I was supposed to get some
Okay, open it up.
generic top-down
Now in here, this will be a
textures,
simple class.
so we're just not looking at a blank screen all day, but whatever.
Instead, let's make a constructor that receives a width and height. Let's also store these as variables. Now let's also create our underlying int array. We're going to make a multi-dimensional array, so we define it as int, then brackets, comma, brackets. This is how we define a multi-dimensional array with 2 dimensions. Alright, so now in here we create it. So we do a new int array. We pass in the width and the height. Alright, so
Grid has the same name as a built-in Unity component. Add component get component may not work to this. Oh, well, then. Wonder how he got away with that. The guy I'm following. It's Code Monkey. He named his script. So, Unity has a built-in thing, component called grid. But he names his script grid. And so Unity's like, hey, you could use this, but you can't add anything to it because it's conflicting with what already exists. So it's just like, oh, okay, well, magic. We'll pause it here, take a look, so we understand what's happening. So he's just making a class. So we don't need extend mono behavior. Do have to give myself a bracket back. Okay. So you got a private width. This is private int height. Private int grid array. do public, make it public for Y. Oh, because you're gonna need to access this outside of the class, obviously. You're gonna say, hey, here's the width, here's the height. Oh, for us. Oh, it's supposed to be grids. Sorry. Grids. This width is gonna equal that width. And this height is obviously gonna equal that height. All Verslar. And then my grid array is going to equal a new int with the width and the I can't spell. Width. Wow, my brain just stopped. Width and height. Hold on. Am I having a brain fart? Did I? For some reason, width looks spelled wrong. Hold on. Wow, okay. Apparently my brain just is having a skip, and this is the first time I've ever actually looked at it. Like it looks like it's spelled so wrong. I don't know why. Oh, my brain. Yeah. Yeah. You're just staring at it like, huh? It's like, this can't be right. Looks back at videos of you typing. It's like, I didn't question it then. Why now?
Debug.log here on the constructor just to make sure that everything is working. So let's do a debug.log of the width and then the
oh shit,
height. Alright,
debug.log.
And there it is over here on the console saying 2010. Okay, great. So we have our grid basic setup
Width.
and the testing script is running.
Height.
Now let's add some visuals to be able to see our int grid. Let's create some text objects that will display the underlying value for each grid element. So in here, let's do a cycle to go through our entire array.
Oh, I guess this will give it space. Yeah, makes sense.
We start off at 0. And now in here, since we have a multi-dimensional array, we need to figure out the size of each dimension. So we can get that by going into the grid array and call getLength. And here you can see that we can give an int for the dimension. So in this case, let's cycle through the first dimension.
That's very good.
And then inside, we cycle through the second dimension. So this is how you cycle through a multi-dimensional array. Alright, so now it's in here that we want to display a certain element. Okay, so here, just to make sure that our cycle is running correctly, let's do a debug.log on the X, and then the Y. And just for testing, let's just reduce our...
I'm gonna need to update. What does he do? He does, so he calls his grids class, grid equals new grids. Nani? Huh? I didn't hear anything. Script grid has the same. What? It's not grid though. What are you referring to? Has been modified? It has? Who modified it? What? Yes, close, please. What? So confused. Things are breaking. Let's see. So I just want to get this up. Yes. Ich bin... It's there. Oh my god. It's your banner. I keep forgetting. Gosh. I'm like... Oh, it's right here. Oh. Don't say that on stream. Alright, let's see. God damn. I can't say that. YouTube had a field day. It's like, he said it. He said the thing. Get rid of him. Is it though? I honestly don't know. He said it. Oh, you guys can't hear it. Never mind. God damn. So fucked up. Oh no. Okay. Oh, I can't name it grid. Okay. This fucking thing. Alright. I wonder how... I seriously don't know how I got away with that. Yeah, boy. What do you mean sign into chat? I have to open it. Wait, what? You need like Prime to type in chat to what? That's weird. It's just YouTube. I'm not paying for dual streaming. Like, suck it. Alright, let's see. I need to reach out to Code Monkey and ask him how I did this. It's like, bro, Unity doesn't let me do that. How'd you do that? Alright, anyways. It should work now. I stand corrected. Nothing works. Everything's broken. God damn it. Grids. Testing, grids. Don't understand. Oh, dox myself. That's fine. I'm stupid. Shut up. Nobody say anything. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Okay. I did it. Okay. I know what I'm doing. I'm an adult. Anyways. Stupid. What's up, Yuki? What's wrong? What's wrong? You need to go outside? Wow, I just started streaming. What's wrong? Oh. She probably does. Oh shit. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, what a pup. Oh, what's wrong? Oh no. I should make an avatar for these two. Ah! That way whenever they bug me, they just pop up on the screen. What's wrong? It's not time yet. You guys are on a schedule. You can't fool me. Just come out of nowhere and just be like, oh, he... Oh, yeah, they definitely are confused because before when I would leave to go to work, they would, like, Camille would go back, right? They would go back to the room and go to sleep. and it would be like clockwork. As soon as the door closes, they'd go back in the room and just lay down. As of today, they're all wandering around the house like, what's happening? Why is he still here?
Grid to just 4, 2. Alright, so we got 4 on the width, 2 on the height. Let's see. And yep, on the console you can see that we are indeed cycling through our entire array. So we go 0, 0, 0,
let's be a short stream.
1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, and 3, 1. So we have 4 on the width and 2 on the height. Okay, so far so good.
Alright. Okay guys, so all he ends up doing really is going through here. 4 int x equals 0. X. This is actually a really costly way to go through a grid. But I guess it's for demonstration purposes, so it's fine. Get length. 0. X. Wait. No? X. Then you gotta go through your Y. Int. Wow. Can't type. Int Y equals 0. Y. Same thing. Grid array. Get length. 0, 1. Really? Oh, I see why. Cause, yeah, you're in the second slot. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. All right. So we do that. Then you just say debug.log. We're gonna say x plus y, and don't forget, put your brackets on, ladies and gentlemen. Blammo. Alright, we don't really need this here because we already tested that out. We know it works. Come back over here, recompile, hit play. Yep, there we go. Just like in this video. He is correct. So the reason why there's a gazillion, Jesus Christ, is because it is, we have a 10 by 10 grid, I believe we said. Let's look at testing. Yeah, 10 by 10 grid. You're gonna have 100 squares. Ooh. All right. God damn it. Yes. Excellent. Lord Freezer would love to see these squares. What was that guy's name? Son of fun. Shit. Oh man, love it. Everything's a reference to everything. Alright, so we got that going.
Now here, let's spawn a text object in order to visualize the underlying value for this grid element. And for that, I'm going to use a function from the utilities. As always, you can download the utilities for free from unitycodemonkey.com. So I'm going to be using codemonkey.utils. And in there, in the utils class, I have a create world text function. Here is the function in case you want to build it yourself instead of using the utilities. As you can see.
All right, so that's what I was building earlier, which I accidentally broke because I'm pretty good at this. What we're gonna do is we're going to, in the scripts folder, we're gonna import the package that I exported earlier. Essentially, it's the core utilities. You can't do that because you suck. What? What's this say? Oh, you're in play mode. Exit play mode. Alright. turn my music down a little bit. Now let's import it. Bam. Bam. Oh. Import. Amazing. Amazing. Ah. Anyways. So you get core utils. You got my BA Studios utils. What? Would you like to... But the solution, this, has been modified outside blah 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 blah. Sure. It's a weird error, but okay. Alright, so what he's referring to in this vid is create world text, which is this guy. Let me zoom out some. As soon as I figure out how. One of these buttons says, okay, there it is. I only got those two. Alright, so it's under the public util class. What? Why is it spelled like that? Fuck it. I'll fix it. I can't stand that. Utility class? Utility class? Jesus. Alright. Come back in here. Should get rid of that. Alright. So in the grid, we're going to add that using the namespace. Was it BA Studios? Library. And then, what was it? That way we come down here and we'll do what?
Just creates a game object, positions it on a certain position, creates a game object with the text mesh component, sets all the text mesh values, including the text. So there it is, very simple if you want to do it on your own. But here, let's use the utilities just to make things easier. For the text, let's go into the grid array and grab on X, Y, so grab the underlying value. Now in here, we need to know where we're going to position our text object. So let's figure out how we're going to define a position for our grid. Now in order to do that, what we really need is to know how big each cell is. So over here on the constructor, let's receive a width, then a height, and let's also receive a float for the cell size. Stored up here.
This is correct.
Now, with a certain cell size, we can now calculate where each index lands on a world position. So let's make a function to convert an x and y into a world position. So here we make a private, going to return a vector3. Let's call it get world position, and we're going to receive an int for the x and int for the y. And now in here, it's extremely simple. We just return a new vector3 with our x and y multiplied by our cell size. And that's it. Very simple. So now we can now use this function all the way up here.
Oh wait, it's not done. Finish the thought.
Alright, this should do.
Alright, cool. So let's see. Follow along here. Oh, I turned my music off. Shit. So it looks like essentially we need to give our grid some size. Right now it's just pinpoints on 3D space or 2D space. But anyways, we're gonna need a float for the size. That says flat. Float. Cell size. So we create that. So we're gonna have to go over here because this is private. So we're gonna need to create the class. Or give it a constructor. God, I can't speak. Cell size tasty. Also gonna come up in here and make sure we actually allow you to pass that information in. And what he's done here, I guess I can get rid of this. What he has done here is he has created another function, a private function. Ooh. Keep it secret, keep it safe. Vector 3. We're gonna get world position. Why am I tabbing? Get world position. We're gonna get our X and our Y. I'm gonna return a new. That's not how you spell new. Vector 3. XY. XY. You're gonna multiply that by your cell size. And I assume he's gonna take that information. He's gonna pass that over here. Get world. That's not what I was looking for. Get world. Holy shite. Position. XY. Why is that coming up? No, it's not. It's not coming up Millhouse. That's the bad part. Anyways, color. Go white. Text anchor. Middle. But my brain though. Oh, why is that giving me such a problem? Why would they do this? Why would you do this? Why? I didn't even post this. No one knows what I'm doing. The world doesn't know I exist. Oh. This does not exist in its current context. Doesn't it? Doesn't it? Oh, because I named it something stupid. Shh, don't look. Don't look. Ignore that. Now everything else is broken. Pretty good at this game. What? Get world position, create world text. Wait, okay, something's off. What's off? What's not working? Nanny. Transform parent. No. Yeah. So I got my text, I got my transform, which is null. My location is default. Vector 3, that's what I did. My vector 3. XY times cell size. Cell size. It returns new vector 3, so that works, that works. I'm about to be blasted for being stupid. But brain, why does it hurt? It's so good. Life. What? Oh yes. What did I do? Like, why is this all thrown off? Wait, I have too many arguments? How many? 1, 2, 3, have been. Okay, there's a bunch in here. What the freak? Unless it's referring to this one. But it shouldn't be failing there. Well, I don't know why it's broken, but whatever.
Do it, so we should now be able to see a text object being placed on every grid position.
Yeah, so I don't quite understand what I did wrong. Utility class, grid. No, that's correct. Color, it's accepting those, it's not accepting these. No, I did. What? What does that mean?
Let's also pass in a cell size, and let's say NF. Right, so we should be able to see 4 times 2,
wow.
so 8 text types.
Oh. Yeah. I forgot. I forgot the name. I know what you're talking about. I forgot the name of that. Damn. Yeah, good. Yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm.
And I think see a text object.
Wait. Oh. I can see that. Yeah. You know, only problem is it would be faster to just do tubes to transfer stuff. Oh, yes. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. I got you. I'm also cannot convert from method group to string. I'm so lost right now. I have no idea why it's busted. Utility class dot. Oh. Create world text. Grid array. XY. To string. Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, fucking hell. Man, it's always the slightest things that fuck me up. I accidentally forgot to close my parentheses. And problem solve. Or not. Sometimes. Sometimes it's hard. I thought that was it. Apparently not. Rip. I forgot to add my... Even worse, I forgot to add it because that's a function. Well, that solves that problem. Maybe I should just take a break. I know I just started, but god damn it. Like, fuck it up already. Whole new level of performance anxiety. It's okay when I'm stupid, no one's watching, but now everyone can see how stupid I am. It's like, oh, don't look at me. Don't look. Only look when I do good things. What? That's not a float, though. Holy butts. Position, 20, floats, anchor, middle. What? You know what? I probably left out something in my utilities class. Let me open it up again. It probably has like 3 or 4 overrides that I didn't add properly. Remember, kids, when you're using somebody else's code, always put attribution. Attribution? Is that the term? Give them credit, and then also make sure you know what the fuck you're doing. Was it get world position? Nothing. Oh, wait. Create. What? Okay, how about I just look at what the thing's called? Create world text. That's what I'm looking for. So he has 1 create world text right here. 2. Is 2. Oh, Jesus, I altered it. Don't do that. Okay, so looking at what CM has, we end up, oops, go too far. Okay. I have to make sure to export this back out when I'm done. Parent. Text, location, font size, character size. Did I do that? Damn it. I thought about that after I said that. See. Let's see. Yep. That's me. That's a me thing. I did it. Sorry. Nobody yell at me. Fuck. Yeah, I forgot. Because I was making... My grid is actually really small. So I customized it. That's the price I pay for being stupid. Let me say... So this creates world text. Create text in the world. Adds. Adjust. Character size. Let's add this one in here. This is the default one. Parent text. Oh, for the love of God. What? Yes, I'd like to repurpose your code. No, get fucked. Why is this throwing errors now? This really doesn't make any sense why it's throwing errors. It's literally the same code. What is happening? Oh, because the first one sets the standard for the rest? Is that how overrides work? I thought overrides were only the name. I apparently don't understand anything. Man, I've not even gone anywhere. It's already been an hour. Woo! So I think I see what's happening here. So in this, it would call this is you create world text. I might have to adjust my I see. Because in this one, if I end up with a string and then my parent, which equals null, I'll return create world text to a different function, same name, different order, where there is a transform. And then I added the character size to it, if I'm not mistaken. In my own, I added the character size. Yeah, float character size. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have put that in my utilities because that's throwing me off. I know, right? Fuck. Hey. Fuck. Can't believe that. This is gonna blow up so many things. It's alright. It's necessary. Redoing my scripts. I don't like having things that are off. Like, my main problem was I kept customizing things too much to the point where I can't reuse my code. And I need to stop doing that. I need to have a baseline that I can pull in and use anywhere. So... all that just to fucking get this. Oh, like that, it's gone. Oh, who saw that coming? Actually, I don't think that script's done. I can't really play test it. Yes, I know. Let's see. String no. Okay. Should not be capturing when there is a hot control. Don't really know what that means, but okay. Oh my, I am very close to the screen. Oh, I should probably fix my camera. So we at the very least now finally have our stuff. So we have our grid. That only took forever and a lot of fixing of core stuff. We did it, and it's been an hour. Okay. Man, that was a lot of fun, wasn't it? Coding's great. Shit. Okay. Not supposed to cuss. I've been cussing up a storm. I don't know. I don't like it when you say the naughty words on stream. We'll see. We'll see. I adjusted all that hot, didn't I? Yeah, okay. Let's see. Where's the grid at? Grid gets generated up there. I need to move my screen like right there. There you go. Actually, I don't know how to... fuck it. Oh, there it is again. What if I do 50-50? It's not exactly centered, but whatever. 45, 45. That looks better. Let us copy. And that... I'll move my camera there. Bingo bongo. We're done. Alright. I'm also going to export this again, which is probably going to break a lot of stuff, but I don't care. Wait. Cancel that. I only want my core utils. Export. Is there a space at the beginning? No. Save. Replace it. Kill it! No one must know my shame. Alright, let's see. So that's gone. I would... God damn it. You know, I should really just have a... You know what I could do? I could set up that little thing. Like, there's this neat little plugin you could do for Discord when you're streaming. And whenever somebody's voice chat activates, the little avatar on the screen will light up. Like, it'll switch frames, essentially. So you can simulate someone talking. But that doesn't mean I have to have Discord active for audio. That way people at least know that I am yucking it up at something that's being said. I don't know if we're ready for that level of freedom. Oh, shite. Okay. I strip. Ooh. Oh my god. Yeah. I need to... I have somebody coming by at 1, so I should probably go take a shower and eat because I'm feeling slightly out of it. Oh god. Anyways, and I gotta take out the dogs. Shit, I forgot. Yuki finally passed out. She's like, I can't do this. Alright. That's it for now. I will be back. Oh look, there's 2 me. I'll be back later today. Maybe. If not tomorrow. Oh, I should